With Chassi and NetSuite, you'll get curated process intelligence that you can act on day one. You'll see both high-level and detailed views of process performance. We take the system notes from NetSuite, enrich them, and visualize them intuitively so you can decide how you want to see the whole story. Now, we've made it even easier for you to know where to start improving in a matter of hours. Say you've got a SaaS client that implemented automation technology last quarter, and you want to see how it's performing. You're looking through Pathways, which automatically models each variation of process you define. You know that automation should affect the timing of how sales orders come from Salesforce into NetSuite, so you start here. Now, take a look at the distribution of cycle times between milestones, so you can instantly see how long this specific segment takes for every process that follows this pathway. And with these outliers, a little red flag goes up. There might be an issue. So you look a little deeper into the most common pathway using Doppler. This feature shows you how a process performs month over month based on the goals you've set for each segment. You've already set a goal for that integration to take less than 5 minutes, and it seems to be exceeding that every month. But let's see if this is an issue that exists with every variation of the process back on your homepage. With our At a Glance section, you'll see a summary of every process that includes this sequence of milestones you define. And you know this cycle time should be way lower with the new automation, basically 0. So you dig deeper into the cycle time analysis, which lets you really look at each step of the process. Here, you notice the average is decently higher than the median. That's a sign of significant outliers. Okay, something definitely isn't right here. Use our work analysis tool to see which fields are changed the most slightly downstream, and you'll get a good understanding of how this integration affects the rest of the process. This will help you determine if this is a people, process, or technology problem. It's interesting that ship to is changed so often. Why? If you click here, you can look at an individual order to see exactly what changes using these enriched system notes. Once you find the issue, you want to see if it's a one-off mistake or if it signals something larger that needs to be addressed. If you go back to your cycle time analysis, you can interrogate the other outliers and start to see if there's a trend. Now you know where to start making improvements. And these same tools that helped you understand what's going on will help you measure the impact of the changes over time. Ready to try Chassi for yourself? Learn more and get started at chassi.com.